Hi there, students. Off the rack or off the peg? Let's see. When you buy clothes, you can either buy them off the peg, or you could go to a tailor or a seamstress and get them made to measure, get them bespoke. So off the peg clothing, this is something that you go into a shop and buy. Yeah, I bought this suit off the rack. I would love to have a tailor-made bespoke suit from Simpsons in the Strand, or from a nice tailor shop, but it's just too expensive. Notice, off the peg is the British phrase for this, whereas the Americans normally say off the rack. Okay, so let's see. Off the peg clothing comes in standard sizes and standard colours. Yeah, so if you buy something off the peg, you go into a shop and buy it, and it's there. You can have it immediately. Let's see. This is used primarily for clothing. Yeah, he bought a suit off the rack, but you can also use this for other things as well. Yeah, the boat that he has, he didn't buy it off the rack. He had it specially made for himself. Yeah, so something specially made, something bespoke, tailor-made. Yeah, made exactly for you. Yeah. Let's see. You can buy shoes off the rack, or you can buy bespoke shoes, which are much more expensive, but they fit you so much better. Yeah, so something tailor-made, custom-made, made to measure. This is the opposite of off the rack or off the peg. Yeah, this is something that's ready-made. It's not made to order, made to fit exactly what you said. Yeah, these are not made specifically for a person. So yeah, and one of the great advantages of off-the-rack clothes is they're generally a lot cheaper. Yeah, they're generally not as good quality, and they don't fit you as well. But well, they're not a lot of us who can afford to buy all our clothes off the rack. Yeah, so off the rack, ready-made, but particularly about clothes. Yeah, as I said though, you can use this for other things as well. So if something that you buy off the peg is made in large numbers, yeah, you could let's see. Yeah, I guess you go and you buy your laptop off the peg, or maybe you say exactly what you want in it, and that would start to become a bespoke computer. Yeah, yeah, I think sometimes the clothes that you can buy off the rack are very good. If you apply for an interview for a really posh job and you turn up in an off-the-peg suit, you're not going to look very good if you really want to impress them. So the rack or the peg is the thing well, the rack is the long bar with all these different clothes on. Yeah, and you take it off the rack and you buy it. And I think the peg, to me, a peg, it's you hang your coat on a peg when you come in. So there are various pegs on a wall. Yeah, and you take it off the peg that's on the wall. Yeah, I'll have this one. That's the way it goes. So let's see, formality, off the rack, off the peg. I'm going to give it a 4 in formality. I think use it informally, use it semi-formally, semi-formal writing, but stop there. Yeah, I would probably say very formally, not tailor-made, not bespoke. I like that word bespoke, although it's a rather British word, a bespoke tailor-made. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Off the peg and off the rack. Yeah, the opposite of bespoke, custom-made, tailor-made. So, bye for now.